Do you know how to make crystals in Blender? If not, let me teach you first. Add a UV sphere and go into edit mode and subdivide it into 4 segments, then return to object mode and apply a transformation to it. Then go to render properties and select cycles instead of EV, and select GPU instead of CPU in feature set. Then go to the shading workspace and add a new material, and go to the material properties and go down to settings and select displacement and bump instead of bump only. After doing this, you can also follow me to add textures. After completing all the settings, you will see that your perfect crystal texture is ready. So this was our video for today. How did you like this video? Let me know in the comments section and subscribe to this channel for more interesting tutorials like this.